Hey guys, it's CoreyConundrum here, and today we are back with another video. Today, we're doing a grinder time lapse. I'm gonna speed it all up. I'm just doing a real quick intro. Yay! Let's do this. This is gonna take a long time, and you don't want to see us place every block individually and type commands and stuff. So I'm gonna speed it up for you, so you guys don't have to go through the torture of watching it. But shouldn't take too long, hopefully. But I'll see you guys in a minute. See ya! So I think that's it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do leave a like, subscribe, maybe leave a... Are you laughing at me? What did I do wrong in this world? Wait. Shut up. It's amazing. Where? So, but if you guys did enjoy this video, please do leave a like. Leave me a comment down below. I'll have the Discord down below as well, where my little toes are. I'll have the server IP down below. I'll have the description down below. But that's all I really gotta say. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya! Hi guys, we're back! This is gonna go at the end of the video because Kai doesn't know how to use redstone. This is redstone tutorial episode 1 with Kai. Let's go. Beautiful! You placed the wrong block. What the hell are you doing? No, that's not gonna work. No, you can't break the block either. Place that. No. Yeah, now put that. Oh, but the dispenser could struggle with that, so you might want to put a quick delay on it. Put a delay on it. Put a delay on it. I said put a delay on, and don't do that. Leave that off. What are you doing? Alright, yeah, you're doing well. I realize what you're doing, but that's not going to work. Hey! But that's also not going to work. Yeah, but that's a bit too fast. That'll lag. No, put a delay on it. Not that sort of delay. Wrong delay. Put the redstone back there. Put a delay on it now. By moving... Oh, God. No, that's not a delay either. Move the comparator. Move the comparator here. Put a piece of redstone here. No, here. Here. Redstone. Don't break it. And then put a comparator. Comparator. No. What are you doing? No. No. No, I gotta help you here. Hang on. Stop, you suck. All you had to do was this. Dude, I'm helping you. You just killed me. I'm helping you. Okay, I'll stop. I just want to disconnect it. But back to the video. Put a repeater here, facing that way. What are you doing? No, you can't do that. Oh my God. Oh, that's just gonna... It's gonna work. It's really not. These two can't be connected. These two here can't be connected. Yeah, now connect that. You fell! Now connect that here. Put a piece of redstone there. Yeah, and connect this one here. No, not there. If that's now, actually, and now put a piece of redstone here as well. No, that's too fast. It'll lag the server if there's too much of it. Okay, it'll lag the server. So if you want to make it less laggy, break this piece of redstone. Then put a repeater facing that way. Repeater. That's not a repeater. And then put on any delay you want, and that'll work. No, yeah. Just put on 2. No, that's a bit too much. Yep, that works. So now or 3, you can choose. That'll be pretty slow though. Like I said, put on 2. There we go. I was helping you. He's not good at redstone. I have to help him. I had to help him. I'm sorry. Sorry.